Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete your Kahoot account permanently. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and then search for kahoot.com and then log in your account. Okay? And once you've done that, just go ahead and click on your profile on the upper right corner of your screen beside the notification bell. And here you want to click on profile settings. As you can see here, there's this red text. It says delete account. So if you delete your account, you will lose access to all the Kahoots you created. Okay, so just go ahead and click delete account, and here you need to put a reason for deleting account. So choose any reason that you want, and here you can now add your feedback. So Kahoots set to public won't be deleted along with your account. If you'd like to delete them, you'll need to do it manually. So just go ahead and click delete account, and here Kahoot will ask you for confirmation if you want to delete your account, because when you delete your account, there's no going back. So just go ahead and click delete account, and that is how you delete your Kahoot account. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.